Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this sample given to me by Arach&Cloz. Thank you so much for the sample. So it is a size small, coffee-colored sweater shirt. So it is a little bit big on me, and it is a size small, so I would recommend maybe getting a size less, so if you're medium, maybe get a small, however you want to do that, or just check the measurements on the website. I really like it. It's very comfortable, very soft on my skin. Like I said, it is a little bit big, but I do like the design here that they have. I really like the color, at least for my skin tone. It goes very nicely, fits very nicely. What it looks like on the back and on the sides. Let me show you here. So yeah, so it's great. Like I said, very comfortable. It has some wool, so you can feel like it feels warm, like having it on. So I really like it. If you're in cold weather, you definitely want to try out something like this, so you're not cold. And yeah, hope you check them out and hope you enjoy the video.